This video is how to change a receiver on your Legend, Trust, or Amaze hearing aid. So first what you're going to do is remove the ear mold or dome off the old receiver. So if you can pull it out easily, that's fine, but if it's a tight fit, it's best to push the receiver out of the ear mold. Use something with a blunt tip, not pointed. You don't want to tear the ear mold, and push the old receiver out of your ear mold. So to remove the old or bad receiver, there's a locking piece on the top of your hearing aid. You're going to use a tool with a small pointed edge, or a safety pin will work fine. Okay, you're going to insert it in the locking clip and pull the clip out slightly, just enough to unlock the receiver so you can remove the receiver, and you're going to discard the bad receiver. Take the new receiver, push it back into the top of the hearing aid, make sure it's tight, snap down the locking clip, and then reinsert your ear mold or dome or a new dome. Make sure it's in tight. And there you go.